This tutorial will show you how to create a live event using Capture. So what a live event means is that it's an event where everybody is on at the same time. You then display your screen or whatever you want, and the students can see it in real time. Now the students can only text chat back, but it presents another interesting way of using Capture. So this is a little bit more involved and it has a number of steps. So the first step to create is to make sure that you're in My Courses, that you don't have the Capture software open. And what you're going to do is click on the Capture Central on the nav bar. Make sure that you're on Manage Live Events, and you're going to click the button that says Create Live Event. You're going to enter a title for the event. You're going to put a presenter in. You're going to enter a date for this live event, and you're going to and you can click on that and choose a date. You can enter a time for the live event. If you want to have an end date, you can have show end date and have an end date, or you can just simply choose an end time for this event. Next, you're going to choose your layout, and the three layouts are camera and screen, where you're going to have the camera and the screen so the students can see you as you're talking to them. You can have the camera only, so if it's just something that you want to kind of present to them without any kind of showing them anything, you can do that. And then you can also show the screen only. This is an audio narration with video screen. And I'm going to go ahead and choose that particular one. I'm going to go ahead and click on Access Control, and there's a few things in here that you can mess around with. One of them is you can put an event password on there. So if you don't want this open to everybody in the world, you can put an event password in here on there. Please do not check chat disabled. Make sure that chat is enabled. If you do that, the students will not be able to communicate with you during the live event, and it makes no sense. You can change the number of viewers if you want. You notice it's defaulted for 150, and that's fine. As far as the permissions, don't touch that. And go ahead and click Create. So that's the first step in the process, and you'll see that it says the event is created successfully. The second step in the process is now how do you have to make this available to the students. And the wonderful thing about this live event is that it can be done right within My Courses. So I'm going to go ahead and navigate to a course. I'm going to click on the Course Content tab on the nav bar. I'm going to go ahead and click New. I'm going to click Create a File. And I'm going to call it a name. And then I'm going to click into the HTML editor. I'm going to click on the Insert Stuff icon. I'm going to click Capture. Now what's nice here is I can do a search, and I can put in some search string if I want. So I call this Help Session, and I click Search, and it should find that session, the one that I just did, and it tells me that it's upcoming. I'm going to click on that, click Next. And I'm going to go ahead and click Insert. And then I click Publish. So what's really nice about this is that the students just have to come to this spot in the course, and they will be able to come into the event. And you can see the event is currently not active. So that's the process for creating a live event and making it available to students. Please make sure you watch the tutorial on how to conduct a live event so that you understand that process.